Welcome to NeetGPT.in, your ultimate free study companion for NEET preparation. If you are a student registered on our platform, either by yourself or through your school, you now have 1 month full access to all our NEET practice tools. Please note, this access is free but only for 1 month. Let's explore how you can start your preparation journey. Step 1. Log into your account. On the left side menu, click on Free Study, then click on Preparation. You'll now be taken to the subject selection page. Here, you can select one or multiple subjects like physics, chemistry, or biology. Once selected, all the related units will appear. You can choose one or more units based on your current focus. Next, select the topics. You can pick specific topics or simply choose Select All to cover everything. Then, decide how many MCQs you want to solve. 5, 10, or more. Time will be allotted automatically based on your selection. However, for botany and zoology, it's better to reduce the timer slightly for better speed practice. Once all settings are done, click Start Exam. You'll be redirected to the MCQ screen. The moment your first question appears, the timer begins. Each question will have 4 options. Choose one, and the next question will load instantly. After finishing all questions, click Submit Exam. Let's now look at a few important buttons during the session. Button 1. Terminate Exam. If something urgent comes up, click this to exit the session. Button 2. Report Question. If you find a question with errors in grammar, formatting, or logic, click this. The question will be sent for review and corrected before going live again. Button 3. Skip. Use this if you want to leave a question and return to it later. It helps you manage time better, just like in the real NEET exam. You can also use the question navigator on the left to jump between answered or skipped questions. You can go back, reattempt, or even change your answer if needed. And here comes a powerful tool, tags. If a question feels confusing or you want to discuss it later with the teacher, tag it. If it's important for revision, tag it. You can even create your own tags by clicking Add Tag. Later, all tagged questions will be easy to find for revision, review, or doubt clearing. Once you submit your preparation session, you'll get valuable performance insights. Find out which topics need improvement and build your own database of important questions. So that's it for now. Use your 1 month access wisely, practice daily, and move closer to your NEET dream. Because smart preparation is the key to cracking NEET. All the best. Keep learning, keep growing. Let's crack NEET together.